Assalamu alaikum. Today we're going to take a look at the effects of the pandemic in Saudi Arabia and what the Saudi news says about the pandemic. In the news on the 18th of March, it was announced that the private sector staff have been told to work from home for the next 15 days. It was also announced on the 18th of March that the Disease Control Center has begun the coronavirus study. Also, the Muslim World League, based in Mecca, has announced that the closure of mosques due to the virus is a religious duty. With regards to Qatif, the place that actually started off the virus, 1,304 are currently in home quarantine and 104 patients have ended isolation without coronavirus symptoms. It was announced that from now on, funeral prayers will be offered at cemeteries, like at the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In further news, over 2 million masks and gloves were seized by hoarders. On the 18th of March, Saudi Arabia reported 67 new coronavirus cases, bringing the total to 238 confirmed cases. It was also announced that the Madinah Athir purchase limit has been raised to 300 Saudi Riyal without having to enter the PIN. On the 19th of March, Riyadh, the capital of Saudi Arabia, has announced they will distribute sanitizers free of charge to the general public. It was also announced by the Jawazat, the passport department, that visit visas can be extended through the Abshir Mukim service. Also on the 19th of March, it was announced that the Jeddah Season Festival was cancelled because of the outbreak. Likewise, on the 19th of March, Saudi Arabia has announced that they will prosecute any rumor mongers or people that spread lies using social media. Also, on the 19th of March, Saudi Arabia announced 36 new corona cases, bringing the total to 274. On the 20th of March, it was announced that the entry and prayer in courtyards of the two holy mosques will be suspended. Also on the 20th of March, Saudi Arabia has announced that it will suspend domestic flights, buses, taxis, and trains for the next 14 days. Likewise, on the 20th of March, Saudi Customs suspends the export of medicines, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. On the 20th of March, Saudi Arabia has announced that there are 17 new cases, bringing the total to 344. On the 21st of March, it was announced by the Health Ministry that 5 healthcare workers are among the 48 new corona cases in Saudi Arabia, bringing the total number to 392. The Saudi Food and Drug Authority has warned against using the Alpha Instant Hand Sanitizer Gel due to the properties found and the content found inside it. Saudi Arabia has announced a new app called Mawid. So this is a central appointment system and it helps and guides people regarding self-isolation or a hospital visit. On the 21st of March, scholars announced that abiding by the anti-coronavirus directives is a religious duty upon everyone. On the 22nd of March, it was announced that social gatherings cause 33% of the coronavirus infections in Saudi Arabia. On the 22nd of March, as seen in the picture here, corona clears traffic in Saudi Arabia. So in many cities around Saudi Arabia, including Jeddah, Makkah, Medina, and Riyadh, all these cities resemble a ghost town. Also on the 22nd of March, there was a sharp increase in the corona cases, bringing the total number to 511. So it was disclosed that on Sunday, 119 new cases was discovered. It was also announced on the 22nd of March no shortages as found in food stock or water supplies. In the most important information and news to date, on the 23rd of March, King Salman of Saudi Arabia ordered a partial curfew for 21 days. So it was announced that the curfew order starts from 7 p.m. until 6 a.m. for a period of 21 days. Anyone found outside during these times will be fined up to 10,000 riyals Saudi, and if they commit the same offense the second time, they will be jailed for 20 days. The fine will be increased to 20,000 riyal. The Ministry of Education has announced that 7.6 million students continue to pursue their studies without losing a single day. On the 23rd of March, it was announced that at the haramain, in the two holy mosques, prayer rugs would be removed as a precautionary measure to stop the spread of the coronavirus disease. On the 24th of March, it was announced that electricity would not be disconnected, a non-payment of bill for 1 month. It was also announced on the 24th of March that in Saudi Arabia there have been 51 new cases, bringing the total number to 562. It was also announced by the Passport Department that overstaying umrah pilgrims can seek exemption from penal action through the eservices.hajj.gov.sa. It was also announced on the 24th of March that all expatriates should cancel final exits, re-entry visas to avoid the prescribed fines. And finally, it was announced that Mecca hotels could be used as isolation units in virus fights. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share the video, and turn on your notifications. You can also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Assalamu alaikum.